Maths worksheet for LKG and UKG. First bit, complete the pattern. 6 is given here. Next is write 7. 8 is given. Write 9 here. After 9, 10. Second bit, color the numbers. This is P. It is not a number. It is an alphabet. This is 9. It's a number. Color it. This is 4. This is a number. Color it. This is number 6. Color it. This is K. It's not a number. It is an alphabet. This is 7. It's a number. Color it. Count the number of fish and write the correct number in the blank. Red fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. Green fish. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 here. Purple fish. 1, 2. Write 2 here. Blue fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 here. Write 2-digit numbers. Triangle, square. Taking common as square, write 2-digit number. 21, 3, 1, 31, 4, 1, 41, 5, 1, 51. Complete the figure. 11. Next is 12. Write 12 in this circle. Next 13. Write 13. 14 is given. Now write 15. Next is 16. 1, 6, 16. 17 is given. Now write 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20.